This video chart presentation of Canadian Solar Inc. Canadian Solar is a NASDAQ Global Market stock trading our ticker CSIQ. We ended last week with a video chart of a stock that was up on the top. We're going to kick off this week with one that's down on the bottom. See pretty solid base held right around $3 for CSIQ. MACD still trending back towards zero. Coming off a classic PPO ADX pinch. The downtrend certainly appears to be losing some steam. ADX has come from all the way up here over top of 50, all the way down, heading back towards 25. Some nice looking things going on with the MFI. Firm upward channel, holding over top of 50. Full chart position. Accumulation distribution, no, it's not quite as pretty. Still in a pretty solid downward channel. See somewhere right through there. Really going to be looking for this to try and hold a base. Push back up towards the upper part of the channel. Break through the trend line. Show a little bit better buying pressure coming into play. Taking money flow for the last few months is making some higher lows, even more in the near term. You can see a little bit more clearly defined. According to the Chaikin money flow, there is some buying pressure coming into the play. It's equalizing with the selling pressure a little bit. Nice uptrend going on with the CCI, holding over top of negative 100 now. Full still back down into oversold territory. More important to note in a little bit longer term here, again, how it can't break through 50, staying in bear chart territory. You're looking for a rotation through here and some momentum to come into the play. Trix has dropped a bullish cross in the last month, starting to trend back upward. Pretty nice look to the Trix for an early on reversal. RSIs also trending upward. Again, key point, break through 50, get into bull chart territory. You can see it's been very bearish, but obviously the stock has had a pretty deep fall from up here 12 bucks all the way down to $3 just in the last 5 months. But what I do like about it and think I'll be watching for, that support level to hold. Must hold $3. This will be a little bit of a walk away from it play. I look for it trying to set up, potentially bounce another maybe a couple weeks away, something like that. But right now, pretty firm downtrend, but it is holding the base, so as long as that base holds, this play is still intact. Pretty decent volume to the play. 1.1 million shares traded. There's plenty of liquidity. Little bit of secondary near-term resistance right there around $3.25, but I really don't see it stiffening up until it gets up near $4. Of course, 50-day moving average is dynamic. It's coming down. It's going to intersect that $4 range as well, really reinforce that idea of resistance. But it's a pretty substantial move. I'm closing at 317 to add 83 cents a share to go up there and challenge that resistance. When it comes to bottom plays, we always look for indicators that are setting up, showing a little bit of strength of trend and momentum, and for a strong support level to be there. And this chart has those attributes, so we're going to keep it on radar this week and see how it performs. As always, merely my interpretation of the CSIQ chart. Thank you for watching, and trade smart.